Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So guys, umakhwela unemntwana mfana. Sibonile ukuthi uthando nesithembu seliphelile nesukela ugeli bekangaphosta ngemntwana yakhe, uzawaqala kuphosta ngemntwana sephelile uthando nesithembu. I don't know ukuthi utshelwe ukuthi ungamphosta mntwana isengakapheli show, or it's a decision that decide yena kudendela yona leyo. So umakhwela unemntwana emfana, kanti umntwana wakhona ufana nse nasinesi. And people are saying ukuthi yuba sebafana abantu, photocopy yasinele guys, bafana ngisho nenhloko bayafana. Awubude nje ukuthi bantu abamsekile uyadibonela nje ubabona angithi inhloko nalesitayela lo mntwana lesilala inhloko yothiswe ukuthi ngilesitayela lesigunde ngusine. So people are saying ukuthi cha girl boy uyafana impela nasisi wakho, but ungamfudi, ungathatha ingcondo yasine, ngoba ungathatha ingcondo yasine hawa ukube kuphelile ngawo, ungathatha ingcondo yasine awudoba nenkinga serious. So people were even making ma-pic mix lapha kuma-social media platforms, bahlanganisa le picture yemntwana awamakhwela and usine bathi yu bayafana abantu, ukuthi lo mntwana lona mntwana sine ngendlela abafana ngakhona. So people were saying nje ukuthi cha i-photocopy phela lena yasine awubudi nje ukuthi labantwana badalwa umuntu loyi-one, uyadibonela ukuthi badalwa ngumseleko. So iphelele uthando nesithembu and uphele on a high note lokushiya abantu bafisa kwadi ukuthi kule season letako next year if kuthi itofika, because sibonile ukuthi hayi into bethi tough kakhulu for umseleko kule season. Asibone ukuthi itobuya, I don't know. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.